Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with a Honda CRV 07 to 11 headlight package finished up today. These headlights were built on brand new OE style headlights, but with the black housing, so exact same fit and finish as the OE headlights, really high quality headlights here. Great fit and finish, except these just come with a blackout style, so a little bit of a different look. But a lot of our customers do prefer this setup versus the chrome. Which you probably are more used to. The projector setup here, we went with the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0 by Xenon. So this is a HID setup with a D2S HID system. The HIDs are bundled with the package, being Morimoto XB35 D2S HID kit. And we do include also the MotoControl H4 relay harness, which will be plug and play to the vehicle factory wiring and take care of all of the by Xenon functions of the new projector system. Shrouds here are the Apollo 3.0. These headlights have some pretty massive bowls, so definitely recommend going with any full-size shroud. Fitment issues really aren't a concern here. As you can see, the bowl is massively wider than any of the full-size shrouds that you can choose. Apollo 3.0 is kind of the one we go to really for this setup, as it does look pretty clean and OEM plus. We're going to cut the system on here just to show you what it looks like. These bulbs are Morimoto XB35 D2S 5000K. You can see we have our test Morimoto XB35 ballast, just to give you an idea of warm-up time. Pretty quick warm-up time on these things. Really nice bright white color output from the 5000K bulbs, and will make for a really great setup lighting the road for this customer. Definitely a huge improvement over the factory halogen H4 setup. So you can order a package like this on our website. We have a headlight package specifically for this vehicle already listed, and you can customize it the way you want, add any LED modifications if you want to, custom paintwork, etc. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or an email. Our contact information is on the website.